What's up, guys? This is Xpotics. Hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. I am doing Stronghold, the original versus Definitive Edition close up. So I have my main monitor as my 5K, which I usually have my 4K 144. It's a Gigabyte M28U. Pretty nice IPS. I have it cranked a little bit high on the contrast, just a little bit, so it like pops a little bit, like a little bit more than natural. Yeah, I might turn it down, but it is just a little bit more colorful, but it's kind of like not very natural. Anyways, okay, so go here. Oh, okay, thank you, sir. So the highest that this goes is a different aspect ratio, 2560 by 1600. So I'll do that because that's the highest that it goes. But like, I don't think that's 16 by 9. I think that's 16 by 10. I'm pretty sure. So if it looks stretch, then I'll just, yeah, look. It's not even going to the side or all the way over. So like, I'll go to the 2560 by 1440 then, because this is, I gotta go back. One more, yep. Good? Yes? Refresh? Please? Faster? Thank you. Alright, see, now it's all the way over. I just have big bezels. And slightly cracked right there. Doesn't affect the image at all. It just kind of... The guy who had it before was careless, to say the least. Okay, so let's... Economy... Mission... Sure, I'll do the second one. First one. It's not gonna be apples to apples, guys, but I'm just showing you guys like the difference between, like, if you haven't bought this game and you're like, should I spend $15 on it? Oh, it's so rough. Oh, this game struggles with the UI. Like, if I have Reaver Tuner on, it'll be like really stuttery. Look at this. This is like super rough, like really rough. Watch. Press P. Now I'm gonna select it. Watch this. Oh, no. P. What? I didn't pause anything. P for pause. Okay, it's good now. It's good. Look at that. Woo! So much quicker. I'm getting like 90 FPS at least. If you like go in between, like you go fast and you look at your frames, it'll like have a delay, and it's like 90 to 110. So it really does not like Reaver Tuner, but the newest one is okay with it. So I'm just gonna have like a couple of these, yeah, and then a couple houses, just like maybe 3. All right, so this is what it looks like from like full screen. Okay, let's go closer up. Where's my king, yo? Okay, so it's focusing like right there. What's up, Klecky? Klecky the chicken. All right, let's zoom in a little bit. I'll show you woodcutters, what they look like. Except they're taking forever to get to them. I'm gonna speed this up, guys. I'm just a so loser. Can I change this to like 90? I usually play at 60, but oh man, they're going now. Oh, sorry. All right, let's cut some stuff here. It's not focusing. Dang. Okay, there. That's like 4.5 inches away. Man, they're going crazy. I want them to actually cut on some. Okay, I'll just go over here for a second. Where's my keep? There's my keep. I'm zooming in. 3x. Oh, that's 2.9. Let's go. There's 3x right there. Pretty pixelated. See that? There's like, it's like a staircase and stuff. I can't focus anymore. I'm gonna zoom in more. That's 10x. I'm gonna back up just a little bit. I'm like a foot away now. Oh. Really rough. It looks like there's like a little dark spot on their face, but mostly blank. Pretty rough. I'm gonna go to woodcutters now.
Message from your scribe. The shipment of weapons is due in 4 years, my lord.
4 years? And you hear comments like on the newest Definitive Edition, Stronghold Definitive Edition like trailer. They're like, oh, it actually looks worse. Like, it doesn't look better. It's just a money grab. I'm like, bro, really? Are you sure about that? Like, I am 10x zoom right now. This is just what it looks like because this is 1440p. Like, not high end at all, and this is a really old game. It's like 20 years old. Look at that. That's rough. Okay.
You are leaving the castle.
There's the house. 10x zoom. I'm about 14 inches away from the monitor estimate. All right. Now I'm gonna go to Stronghold Definitive Edition on Steam. Just the multiplayer alone on Steam is worth it to like play with your buddies and stuff, or just randoms, like without going through Game Ranger. Like that is just worth it right there. All right, launching Stronghold Definitive Edition. MSI Afterburner, get out of here. I'll go back to 100%, like 1x, whatever. Just move this one, oh, whatever. Ran out of time. And this is okay with having Reaper Tuner, which is a basic.
Greetings, sire.
Your strongholds awaits here. Okay, so let's go into settings. 5120 by 2880, 60 hertz, 16:9 aspect ratio. Doesn't have any other settings, kind of lame. No like textures, no shadows, anti-aliasing, super sampling, and a tropical filtering. Like I can go on. So missions, and then the first one. Oh, look, it looks the same. Let's go.
Place a key to cite your
Nice. I put mine like right here. I'm getting 299, 300 FPS, 20%, 26% usage, right? Yeah, around there. Okay, then I did a granary, and then a bunch of woodcutters over here, and then a couple houses as well. Beep, beep, boop. Okay, and then I also sped it up. That's what I did. UI scrolling speed. Oh no, it's different. Player setting. Do the original guy. Might as well. I'm not seeing the speed of it, guys, in here. It's UI and scroll speed, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. They're similar speed, maybe a little slower. This is at 1x. It's already so much sharper. Look at that. Way sharper. I'm gonna go 3x. That's 2. There's 3 right there. That's 3x. And it can zoom in a little. It can go a little close to the monitor because it can focus. That's like 4 inches around there. Can you hold like start the fire and hold and say like keep it going? You still can't see pupils and eyelashes, but you can like tell that it's there, like at least the eyebrow. So much better though. Look at that. Let's go to a house. Nice. All right, and woodcutters. They still took a lot of the same things that the previous game had, the original. They just remastered it, you know? They didn't really change everything about it. They just did a different engine and then just they use upscaling, I think, like AI training or just machine learning, whatever, to up it. Use the same voice actors and just a bunch of stuff. It looks so much better. Alright, and I was 10x, guys, so I'll 10x it. That's 10x right there. Try to hold my elbows steady. I was trying to make a short video, it's 10 minutes. Oh, you focusing? Yeah, she focusing. Go a little closer. Right.
Granary stocks are very low, sire.
Where's the... There it is. I don't think it's focusing all the way. There, that's better.
We are almost out of food, sire.
There's Clucky. Yeah, it looks a lot better, guys. So much better.
Your popularity
He's falling. I know. I was just doing a little video. And calm down. Alright, that'll be it, guys. I was just doing a quick comparison. Peace out.